Today is the 7th of October, and this might look quite messy today, but I saw this 15-minute rejection block which got retraced after previous day high got swept, and I didn't see any fair value gaps get formed on the 5-minute to look for an inverse. So I went to the 1 minute, and like I said, I didn't see any fair value gaps to inverse on the 5-minute. So I waited for these two fair value gaps to get inversed on the 1 minute, and I actually entered after this one, but I was in the train at the time, so it got a bit delayed and entered me around here. As you can see, this was the lowest wick of the consolidation area, so that was my target. I got kind of scared when price went in, when my position went negative here, but I just kept the mindset that to reach lower lows, you need to make lower highs. So as you can see, that was a lower high, and price ended up going lower and hit my target. So yeah, that was the trade for today. And I also wanted to enter here after this consolidation, taking out this low and rejecting off of that, inversing this 5-minute fair value gap plus break of structure above this high on the 1 minute. But I was in class at the time and I wasn't able to enter exactly here, and I got a bit emotional and I entered here as a late entry, but I decided that if I do take this trade, then it ended up playing out. But anyways, I exited only after one tick. I made $12 on this trade, and I just thought to myself that even though I knew it was gonna hit TP, I got out because it was a compulsive trade, and that's not good for my discipline. So as you can see, I did exited early. I didn't let it play out, even though I knew it would. But it's fine. Too I'm not too sad about that one, because like I said, it was a compulsive trade, and that was not a disciplined move. So yeah, this was the actual trade for today. I made $487 off this one and $12 off this one. So in total, I made $500 today, and I'm finally getting closer to not being in drawdown on the funded account. So on TradingView, it says my account balance is 49,500, but on my funded futures, it hasn't updated yet. It says I'm still around $1,000 in drawdown, but just 2 days ago I was around $1,300 in drawdown. So now that I've made almost 1,000 back, and I'm only 500 away from being back to the starting capital, that's really good. And in around one or two more trades, I should be out of drawdown. So I'll see you guys tomorrow if I end up taking a trade.